Okay, hi everybody, welcome to the LPC second demo, done originally by a guy named Mark Cartwright, and I've done some modifications to it for class. So anyways, just a little warning, there is a little kind of bugginess going on with A, the all-pole filter, and B, my audio routing with the computer. So if it gets a little noisy, my apologies in advance. Great. So what's different this time is that I've added a couple of things. I've added overlap add synthesis inside the LPC objects, which you can't see from here, but if you read the code, you can. Out here, I've added a new mode between normal, which is just going to get the autocorrelation from the input signal. Nothing changes, just input audio correlation up to the LPC order, and then that's it. And if you click on mode, you get the MEL space magnitudes, or the MEL space autocorrelation, which just means that we're going to divide whatever the LPC order is. We're going to divide our spectrum into 40 or 15 or whatever it is, different regions or partitions, and we're going to get the highest magnitude from that and zero everything else out. Okay. Also, we have a way to control our voicing choices here. We have the unvoiced threshold, the noise part, and that's going to voice anything under. I'll switch the mode here. Sorry to scare everyone. Over here. That's going to voice everything under the pitch correlation. Okay. So if the pitch correlation, for example, is less than, where's our number? Down here, 42. Okay. Generally on a should be like a 0 to 1, but sometimes it goes over. Then we're going to allow for the noise voicing to come through, which we have some Gaussian noise, which we can change and add here. On the other hand, the opposite, same parameter, but if it's above whatever the value is here, say if it's above 0.63, then we're going to get a band-limited impulse train. And that's going to come drive our all-pole filter here, which takes the error signal from here. All right. Let's go back to the main point then. Okay, so those parameters I talked about are here, adding noise, and our mode. Okay, and if we want, we can change the pitch glide so it's more stable, doesn't go up and down as much. And we can shift the pitch too. And we can also interpolate, which I had last time. And it's sort of works, and it's broken in a great way, in that like it will interpolate if it's over the LPC order. So at 23, we can say goes up to 67. And that's going to actually have an effect of sort of detuning the voice. It's different than the pitch shift. It's interesting, actually, phenomenal, really. However, I was hoping to have the reverse thing, reverse situation where this should, raise the voice or detune upwards. Do they call that tune? Anyways, instead, though, it doesn't quite work that way. It'll freeze actually all the parameters filter. So whatever the formation and noise is at that moment, that combination is frozen, but it'll still go along producing the sound, the impulse and the pitch and everything from the speech. So it's kind of a cool effect, just by an accident. So anyways, enough of that. Let's listen to some samples, okay?
First puff that you had, and how did you ever
Original.
get through it to become a smoker? Anne-Marie and Jackson, you're on New Jersey 101.5.
Reconstructed.
Good morning, Judy and Dennis.
Hi.
Here's our error at about 40.
And it was awful when you first started.
Recent.
So yes, I had a marker.
We started at age Y. Most of us started in the early mid-teens, and when we smoked, when we started the first puff, we got sick and coughs and almost died.
Back to that first to become a smoker. Anne-Marie and Jackson, you're on New Jersey 101.5.
Good morning, Judy and Dennis.
Hi.
Love your show.
Thanks.
I started when I was 13. I'm now 44. And it was awful when
Let's
you
try that
first started.
mode.
So yes, I had a marker.
We started at age Y. Most of us started in the early mid-teens, and when we smoked, when we started the first puff,
You can
we
see
got
down
sick
here,
and
here's the
coughs and
envelope.
almost died. What made us
You can
continue?
follow the red
Think back
is
to
what
that
we're
first
tracking.
puff that
The
you
blue
had, and
is the
how did
real.
you ever get through it to become a smoker? Anne Maria Jackson, you're on New Jersey 101.5.
Good morning, Judy and
Okay,
Dennis.
so you see when we don't have the
I started when I was 13.
ML space
Now
magnitudes, it's a
44.
little cruder, right?
And
It's a little
it was
more
awful
kind of like
when we first
harmonic
started.
looking, not
I had a more
not real.
We started at age
In line with
Y,
this,
most of us
when you
started
switch.
in the early mid-teens, and when we smoked,
It's
when we
sharper.
started the first puff, we got sick and coughs and almost died. What made us continue?
Think back to that first puff that you had, and how did you ever get through it to become a smoker? Anne Maria Jackson, you're on New Jersey 101.5.
Good morning, Judy and Dennis.
Hey,
So it's kind of cool.
thanks.
I started now 44. And it was awful when you first started.
Smoker, Anne Maria Jackson, you're on New Jersey.
And some random weird sounds for you.
Started when I was 13. When you first started. I had a Marlboro.
We started at age Y, most of us started in the
All
early
right.
mid-teens,
There you
and
go.
when we smoked, when we
Have a
started the
good
first puff, we
day or
got sick
evening or
and coughs and
whatever it
almost
is.
died. What made us continue?
Think back